The grass is greener. What does it really mean?
Have you ever looked out your window and thought, why does my neighbor's lawn always seem more lush than mine? You've just experienced the essence of the saying, the grass is greener on the other side. This saying isn't really about grass. It's about perception and envy. Often, we feel that other people's situations are better than ours, when in reality, every situation has its own challenges. Ever thought of ditching your 9-to-5 for the freedom of freelance? Yet, some freelancers wish for the stability of an office job. Tired parents might envy singles for their freedom, while some singles yearn for the warmth of family life. City dwellers might dream of the calm countryside, but those in the country sometimes miss the city's buzz. It's a human tendency to believe that another circumstance is better than our own. The key is to understand that the greener grass is often an illusion. Instead of looking over the fence, it's essential to water our own grass, appreciate what we have, and cultivate our own happiness. Remember, every garden has its own beauty. It's all about how you nurture it.